welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'm going to be bringing you a nail video. So today I am going to be using Valentino Crystal Clear, Valentino Soft Touch, and I'm also going to be using some Young nails, and this is the Lime Icy Flakes, I believe. I've never played around with these before, so I figured why not try them out. So I bought that one, and then of course, me being extra, I will also be adding a few flowers, butterflies, and whatever comes along. We'll see. So yeah guys, if you want to watch this video, just go ahead and continue, and yeah, let's get this video started. So first thing is first, of course, always wear a mask because you don't want to breathe in any of those vapors, and believe me, that monomer smell, after a while it gets very intense, so you got to make sure that you protect yourself. And of course, you will also be needing a nail clipper. You definitely need to push back your cuticles. I already did so. I already did all the prepping in my nails. So right now, all I have to do is just dust it off a little bit to get some dust off, and just glue on the tips. So now, as you can see, I have all of my nail tips picked out. So now I'm gonna go in with my favorite Young Nails brush on glue. Sorry guys, if I'm like all over the place, I really can't see what I'm recording, so I'm like trying to like reach over to look. So I'm gonna be using this to glue on my tips, and then after I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead in with the protein bond that they have, and this is kind of like, this is a primer, it's for your nails, so this definitely works wonders. I love this, it's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue on all the nails, and I'll leave. So now that the nails are on, I'm gonna go ahead and shape them really quick before I put the primer, so like that, you know, you don't get all the dust of the filing on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and file, and so I decided to leave them taper squared because I felt like that was, sorry guys, I have to put my mask down. I felt like that was the best shape for this pattern. So right now I'm gonna go ahead with the protein bonds, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the design. So first I'm gonna be doing the ring and middle finger, only because those are lighter colors. So I'm gonna be doing Soft Touch first, and I'm basically gonna just do like a base right now for the flowers, and then I'm gonna encapsulate it with more Soft Touch and then some clear on top. So this is how it looks before the filing. So now I'm gonna try and file it, I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna start putting the flowers on top and anything else that I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna continue with the rest of the 3 nails. So right now I'm gonna go ahead with the leaves or the flakes, and I'm also going to be adding on the butterflies and the flowers. So this is what I've done so far. That's without filing, of course. So I think I'm actually gonna switch it up a bit, and instead of using the neon, I'm going to be using Valentino 112. So it's like a green. Here's the comparison. So I figured I would rather do the green than the yellow, since everything came out more green. This blue from Valentino, and this one is 163. So let's see how it comes out. I'm using Perfect Nude. So this is how it looks right now without the filing. So I was trying to do the marble with the blue and the green, but for whatever reason it wasn't working out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and file it, and then I'll come right back. So this is how it looks after filing. So I did the blue on the thumb only because I wasn't too sure how it was gonna look. So my thumb is always my test out finger. So after I buffed and filed, this is how it looks. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on some rhinestones. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. So you guys are probably like, oh my god, girl, your cuticles are overflowing. I know, but I love to put a lot of cuticle oil only because since I've been working with my hands a lot lately, my hands have been pretty dry. So I've been trying to get these cuticles on check. But yeah, guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and let me know in the comments below what I should have done different. What would you like to see next? If you want to see me do specific colors, just let me know, and I am here to please. Alright, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys.